Hey guys, this is Landry Black with another fundamental video. Wow, tongue twister. Again, always check the guy's trade history. It's amazing that I have to say that. Even with guys in advanced programs that I've had, or even guys who I've known for a long time, still have this issue of forgetting to check this. This one thing can save you from a world of headaches and lost money. The history. Check that history. Now, before we get into this video, here are the different ways to contact me. Email paxfultradingtips@gmail.com. There's my Discord. There's my website. Go check out that website. I have many methods going on right now with more to come, and especially this one I'm pumped about. It's evergreen. I'm never going to lose it. It's going to be great, and I just want to hold on to it forever. You guys go ahead and check out that website. Again, like and subscribe to my channel to receive updates on new videos like this one. Let's go ahead and get into this fundamental video today. So, things I wish I knew when I first started, okay? When you are finally ready to trade with someone after waiting a long time, there is one step you should always do when the person is a first-time client of yours. And I do say client because you, my friend, are going to treat this like an amazing business that you have, as well as I do. I treat it like a business, and so are you. You're going to check the person's trade history, right? This one step alone, as I said in the opening, will keep you from making many of your mistakes later and keep you from losing money. So here are a few things to look for when checking their trade history. Number one, chargebacks. And of course, this is number one. Guys, a rule of thumb is if a guy has screwed over other people, they're going to screw you over too. And typically, I kind of give them a little grace, and here's a few of the things I give them grace on. So let's say I'm trading for a one vanilla gift card, and they have had a chargeback or a negative comments on an Amazon card, right? So, okay, the guy has a negative Amazon chargeback on that. That's fine. I understand. But, it's up to you on that. This is just me. And usually it's only with people that I've seen have been trading for a long, long time. They have tons of trades and all of that. But for you starting out, you might not get people like that. So the rule of thumb is if they've had any chargebacks, it doesn't matter even if it's an Amazon and you're doing one vanilla, or it's a Walmart and you're doing Amazon. Doesn't matter. Go ahead and just say, hey, cancel trade. I'm good. I don't want to do it anymore. Number two, negative feedback. Guys, watch that negative feedback. Back in the day, I used to say, okay, if it's only negative feedback about certain things, but I've noticed this pattern that usually people that get a lot of negative feedback, even if it's a totally opposite trade than yours, just like the chargebacks we just talked about, most time they're only one more bad day away from doing it again, right? And sometimes I look at the date of those negative feedbacks. So let's say it was a year ago and the guy's been clean for a year and he's done tons more trades. You could give him some grace. You could kind of look at it a little bit and figure out if you want to do that. This is totally up to you. Okay. Number three, number of times they have been blocked. Now, I like to go by a ratio of 10%, which means if this person has done 100 trades, but they have been blocked 10 times, I'm weary. Okay, I'm weary. I'm like, well, why? Why has this person been blocked so many times? And then I'll go look at the chargebacks and look at the negative feedback, and usually that'll tell you why. Okay? Number four, how many times they have attempted to trade with you. Now, I've had this thing, and this is people, they do this on purpose. Guys, this is a scam that they do, and I want you to be careful of this. They'll start a trade with you once, and you, being a smart, diligent person, will see something that they don't have, that they should have for you to continue to trade. And you might say, hey, I can't do this. I told you cash receipt. You're giving me a debit. Go ahead and cancel. Oh, okay, my fault. They'll cancel. Then later on in the day, they'll try it again. And you'll say, hey, man, I asked for cash. This says debit. You're going to need a cancel. Okay. The next day, they come back to you. And you're like, whoa, man, you just bought this card. I'm seeing it's a cash receipt, but you just bought this card, you just bought this card 10 minutes ago. I can't use it for 20, I can't use it for 50 minutes. And they'll say, oh, come on, man, let's just wait a little bit. And you'll say, no, come back. Well, okay. They'll cancel. They'll come back again later in the day. And you're seeing a pattern. What they're trying to do is get you to get off your game a little bit. Because then finally on the 7th or 8th try, they'll send you again a debit receipt. Or they'll go ahead and trade with you a good one, a cash receipt. And then they'll tell you, hey, I got more cards for you. Then they'll open up another one, quickly say, here it is, here's the back. I'll go ahead and send you the front. And a lot of people have fallen for this. You forget to check for the receipt. You're like, oh, well, this guy was good on the last one. They're getting you to be complacent. They're getting you to be comfortable with them. And then they'll send you one. You'll go ahead and do the trade, and you already forgot that it was for a debit receipt, or you didn't ask for the receipt because you just assumed. And now this guy has went on ahead and did a chargeback on you. And now instead of paying 20, whatever, instead of spending $100, losing $100, you actually lost $125 because there is a processing fee for that chargeback with whatever company you're using, right? So I want you to be wary of this, guys. Number 5, successful trades. Successful trades. Now this is important because if a guy has been on, I usually say that I want this person to have done at least 200 trades with the cash receipt and all this. I set up all the rules when I go ahead and make each offer. But as you'll notice, I just said 200 trades. This person could have been on Paxful for, okay, I'll make it better because this sounds pretty crazy about 200 trades. And so I'll say I only want 100 successful trades, 100 trades done, right? And this guy has been on Paxful for 3 years, and he's only done 100 trades. Only 100 trades. And now he's with you. And then because you're smart and diligent, you check his history, and you're going to see, okay, this guy might not have any chargebacks. He has no negative feedback, but the last positive feedback this guy has gotten is 2 years ago. 2 years ago. That's it. So you haven't done a trade since, or are you just looking around for people like me who have just started so you can take advantage? Don't do that trade, guys, okay? Make sure that the time length, the history they've been on Paxful matches up to the amount of trades. I mean, I would think if a person's actually using Paxful pretty well for the people that go on there that you're trading with, you are wanting to look at least 200 trades done minimum per year. If you're on there 3 years, that's like over 600 trades. Just saying, that's just me. You do what you want with that information, but I haven't been wrong so far on something like that. I've trusted my gut and I've been right. Or, hey, you know how I've been right? Because I didn't trade with them and I still had my money. So there you go. I've been right. Number 6, amount of trades finished. Okay? Guys, this person is always going to be the one who tries to come to you, like I said, and they do this thing, but it's a longer con than the one we've talked about before, how many times they've attempted to trade with you. It's a longer con, okay? This guy is like, if you check their history, out of the 20 trades they've traded with you with, there's been at least 4, right? They've done 4 that they finished with you. Out of all of these ones, guys, just go ahead and stop answering that person. Just go ahead and block them. They're looking for something. Or whatever they're doing on the other side to get money on that card that they're using, it's not something you want to be involved in because then you're going to have to suffer from the chargeback. So go ahead and just block that person, okay? There are scammers on here, believe it or not, as everywhere. But you guys are going to be diligent and you're going to go check out my other videos I have on scams, right? Awesome. So these are the reasons why you guys need to check their history. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Beginners Members Program. So you're going to embark on this journey with 4 proven methods. So you're going to begin your Paxful journey, this new journey for you. It's new, it's exciting, it's your side hustle. You're going to go ahead and make those 6 figures at the end of the year. You're going to combine this with your regular job and you're going to grind it out, right? Well, this method comes with 4 proven, this program is coming with 4 proven methods, okay? You're not going to use Stripe, you're not going to use PayPal or any similar platform, okay, you are going to gain entry to my private Discord beginners area, and you're going to see that there's a lot more golden nuggets in there than just these 4 proven methods. In fact, I have those 4 proven methods in there, and I also have other ways you can make money in there, and it's great, it's awesome, and I even have all the people in there who've already bought other of my programs because they have made money off of this. This is a good investment. Why not? Or don't do this. I'm not over here doing these videos for you. Again, this is therapy for me because I like to teach this stuff. It's great. I enjoy it. It helps take a load off of all the other digital marketing stuff I'm doing. So again, guys, if this is what you want to do, go ahead and reach out to me and get started. Or continue to watch my free stuff on YouTube and gain some insight there and make money. Okay? Again, here's the other ways you can reach me: email, Discord. There's my website right there. Don't forget that website. I'll also link it in the description. And again, guys, like and subscribe to my channel to receive updates on new videos like this one. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks.